What type of cable is commonly used to connect a computer to a switch? A. Coaxial. B. Crossover. C. Fiber optic. D. STP. Answer: B. Crossover. In a TCP/IP network, which protocol is responsible for resolving IP addresses to MAC addresses? A. ICMP. B. DNSC. ARP. D. DHCP. Answer: C. ARP. Which of the following devices operates at layer 2 of the OSI model? A. Router. B. Hub. C. Firewall. D. Switch. Answer: D. Switch. What is the default port number for HTTPS? A. 80B, 443C, 21D, 22. Answer: B. 443. Which of the following wireless standards operates in the 5 GHz frequency range? A. 802.11 AB, 802.11 BC, 802.11 grams D, 802.11 N. Answer: A. 802.11 A. What is the maximum data rate of a standard Ethernet connection operating in half-duplex mode? A. 10 megabits per second. B. 100 megabits per second. C. 1 gigabit per second. D. 10 gigabits per second. Answer: A. 10 megabits per second. In a network, what is the purpose of a VLAN, virtual local area network? A. To connect devices within the same physical location. B. To extend the reach of a LAN over a wide geographical area. C. To segment a single physical network into multiple logical networks. D. To provide wireless connectivity to devices. Answer: C. To segment a single physical network into multiple logical networks. Which of the following TCP/IP protocols is responsible for reliable data delivery? A. UDP. ARP-C, TCP/D, ICMP. Answer: C. TCP. What is the primary purpose of NAT, network address translation? A. To encrypt data transmissions. B. To hide internal IP addresses. C. To filter network traffic based on IP addresses. D. To authenticate users on a network. Answer: B. To hide internal IP addresses. Which of the following is a characteristic of a stateful firewall? A. Filters network traffic based on MAC addresses. B. Inspects packets at the application layer. C. Maintains a record of established connections. D. Operates at layer 3 of the OSI model. Answer: C. Maintains a record of established connections. What is the maximum number of hosts that can be addressed in a subnet with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.240? A. 14B, 16C, 30D, 32. Answer: C. 30. Which of the following wireless encryption methods is the most secure? A. WEPB, WPAC, WPA2D, none of the above. Answer: C. WPA2. In a network, what is the purpose of a proxy server? A. To assign IP addresses to devices. B. To filter and forward web traffic. C. To authenticate users on a network. D. To encrypt data transmissions. Answer: B. To filter and forward web traffic. Which of the following is a characteristic of a ring network topology? A. High scalability. B. Centralized control. C. Limited susceptibility to single-point failures. D. Token passing mechanism. Answer: D. Token passing mechanism. What is the primary purpose of a DHCP relay agent? A. To assign IP addresses to devices on a network. B. To forward DHCP requests between subnets. C. To authenticate users on a network. D. To encrypt data transmissions. Answer: B. To forward DHCP requests between subnets. Which of the following protocols is used to securely transfer files over a network? A. FTPB, Telnet. C. SNMPD, SSH. Answer: D. SSH. What is the primary purpose of a subnet mask? A. To identify the network portion of an IP address. B. To identify the host portion of an IP address. C. To translate domain names to IP addresses. D. To assign IP addresses to devices. Answer: A. To identify the network portion of an IP address. Which of the following is a characteristic of a point-to-point network topology? A. High scalability. B. Centralized control. C. Limited susceptibility to single-point failures. D. Meshed connections between nodes. Answer: C. Limited susceptibility to single-point failures. What is the purpose of a default gateway? A. To assign IP addresses to devices. B. To filter network traffic based on IP addresses. C. To forward traffic between different network segments. D. To authenticate users on a network. Answer: C. To forward traffic between different network segments. Thank you for watching Cyber Trainer. Like and subscribe.